apple. Hey there everyone, so welcome back to my channel. So today I have a really delicious recipe that I've made, which is really easy to make. I mean, a non-cook like me can make it, any of you can, trust me. So I have at the side some potato fries that I'm making a very different way than French fries or what do you call it? Wedges. Yeah, so it is a very easy rice recipe. There are pulses in it, vegetables and peas and lots of things, yummy goodies. So it is very easy to make, so I hope you guys would enjoy it and make yourself some good yummy food, which is very simple. And my cooking recipes are going to be something very easy and simple to make. So first off, I'm going to start with chopping the onions. So next off, we are going to chop up some carrots. That is, I'm using 2 carrots for a glass of rice. I'm going to be showing how much of vegetables. Well, it is not necessary that you have to add so much amount of vegetables. I'm just trying to make it a bit more healthy and flavorful, and I just don't want it to be just rice plain. So yeah, so you can up your amount of vegetables based upon the quantity of rice that you're going to be taking. So these are most of the things that I'm going to be using for cooking: carrots and onions, the green beans, the cup of rice, beans, peas, whatever, and garlic and 2 tomatoes. I'm going to be using just 2 tomatoes and this Maggi cube just to add on the flavor. It's not necessary to use it. Well, next up, you have to melt some butter. Okay, that is. Empty the onions that you've chopped off and cook it a bit until it gets nice and soft and not brown, but a bit more of translucent in color. Always while you're cooking something, add a bit of the salt. That kind of helps with cooking the vegetables a bit more faster. And that is what my mom used to say. To it, just so that we get the aroma in there. Stir it a bit. Actually, not necessary, but somehow I kind of feel nice to just stir up the vegetables that I'm frying in. So add up all the chopped carrots to it. It takes a little bit time to cook, and a little bit cooked carrot tastes nice, so why not? Salt always helps with the cooking a bit more faster. That's what my mom used to say. That doesn't mean you add a lot amount of salt, okay? Add in all the peas and cook it until it changes color slightly. Adding some turmeric for a little color and for gut health. Also, it is not very necessary that you should add vegetables one by one. You can do it all together. I just wanted the recipe to be very delicious. That's the reason I did it one by one step. So here I'm adding my pulses. I've used So next I'm gonna add the paste of tomato. That is 2 tomatoes and 3 cloves of garlic grinded together in the mixture like minutes ago, but I lost the recording, henceforth it is not added to this video. I am really sorry. Next I'm going to add our Maggi cube to the gravy. I'm gonna use 2 little pieces of the Maggi cube because I do not want my rice to be really salty, so please do be careful while adding this to the gravy of the rice. So mix it well with the gravy and check on the salt with a spoon, and then you can go ahead and add your rice and the 2 glasses of water. So I'm adding my 1 glass of rice, for which I'd be using 2 glasses of water just to cook in the rice. Mix in the rice with the tomato gravy slightly, and then go ahead and add your 2 cups of water. I'm mixing this just to soak in the flavor into the rice, okay? So here we come to our last step, and let's go ahead and add in 2 cups of water and let it cook and simmer and boil. Let the rice boil in the water for some time, and then when the water is really dry and the rice has soaked in all of the water, you can close the lid and cook it a bit for a few minutes with a closed lid and a very low sim. The potato besides my cooker is for my fried potato recipe, so if you want to check out that recipe, please do click on the link down below. So the potato next to me is the other dish, that is potato fried dish. Well, for the rice, I added a bit more sprinkles of water, and I'm just gonna close the lid and cook it for a few seconds.
Our rice turned out to be.